The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Hopefully Comcast lets us have a full stream today. Morning Jay, morning John. So, yesterday internet went down for 2 hours. Cable went down, internet down, all down. And thus I could not finish the stream. But we're back today, ready to rock and rumble. Let's look at what the markets have been doing. Looks like we've been coming down, down, down. High of the session, 39.15 it looks like. It's kind of double top there. We're at daily lows right around now, 38.91. So that's about 24 points of range. Metals have not been doing well at all. I shouldn't say not doing well. They're at the highest they've been in quite a while, but there was like no range on them at all. Like 40, about 85 ticks on copper here. Gold, very tight range, about 10 points. Ultra bond, also a pretty tight range there. Like 2/3 of a point. Crude oil, banging between 73.84 and 75.29. It's about 150 ticks. Good morning, Hassan, the man that doesn't sleep. And last but not least, natural gas, about 205 ticks of range. Morning, Leonardo. And last but not least, we see Bitcoin hanging above 17,000 at 17.2. Still got Nikkei there. Let's go back to our lean hogs. It's not going to go back to lean hogs. How about that? Okay, so see, we have been dropping. Matter of fact, as I was going through that, it gave me a trigger that I missed, which would have just about worked. We'll see if it goes another tick. Either of these triggers would have worked. If I've been paying attention, that's the one I would have taken right there. And that one already would have worked. We'll mark that with purple. Obviously, this one would have worked. That would have been a beautiful trigger candle leading to whatever caused that. Whoosh. And then this one would have also worked. You can see it's been giving multiple opportunities, which means they probably will stop now. I don't know. I always felt doing stuff like that was gonna jinx myself to actually have it happen, Hassan. You can see the last 5 triggers down here all would have worked. And that one would have worked as well. I should have traded overnight. Beautiful. Good morning, Mr. G. How is the seventh letter of the alphabet this morning? I did stream last night. Took $100 loss. And the market just died on me. So didn't take any other trades. Popping back up. Ultra Bond? Yeah, Ultra Bond's looking a little alive this morning. Oh, that's a 5-minute chart, that's why. Ultra Bond's still a little alive this morning. Wow. I'm still shocked at how natural gas is down below 4. I thought we were going to be seeing 10 and 11. My heating bill better go down. News this morning is very, very light, if I remember correctly, but we have Powell speaking today. We have U.S. Red Book year over year at 8:55, and at 9 o'clock, Powell speaks. Also, and then at 10 o'clock, U.S. wholesale inventories month over month, and U.S. wholesale sales month over month. Obviously, the Powell thing could be the biggie, depending on what he has to say. Tomorrow we have absolutely no real news on the agenda. 7 a.m. before the stream, some mortgage reports, and then crude oil inventories. Anyone have a link to the speech? Good question. Yeah. Let's do a Google. Yep. See, every time it sneaks up on me whenever I'm not paying attention. That was another trigger down. Although it's starting to get a little bit. This is a higher low, so it's starting to get a little bit. JC is very slow, very, very slow. I only took one trade. Uh, Fed's Palace scheduled to speak at a central bank conference. Looks like most people do expect this to be a market moving type thing. They expect to hear stuff about Fed rates, so we're definitely have to be careful. But I'm not finding a link to the speech. Maybe something closer to the time. We'll keep an eye. We shall keep an eye on it. See, we're starting to. This downtrend may finally be done. It's been going on now for about 2 hours. Starting to see this move down. Oftentimes, you can see a big trend end with a big candle. They pop back in, did come back down, but it's now struggling to get down any further. We're at 38.95. As it tries to pop back up. This one here would not have worked, I don't think. Let's see. 38.95, 75 down to 38.93, 75. It only would have worked if there was absolutely no slippage. Sippy cup. Yes, I got water next to me. Alright. My egg prices, they're about $7 a, no, sorry, that's wrong. I'm paying, $14 for 3 dozen. So, about $4.66 a dozen. Morning, Jessica. How are you doing? Up and then trying to come back down. Don't trust it. I'm doing all right. Thanks, Jessica. Yes, yep. Yesterday's lows was actually the last candle. This downtrend really started about noon yesterday. So again, this is a trigger candle. Watch it work. Didn't trust it, but I probably should have. Now I'm looking at it. Should have just taken it. I gotta just take them and let the market decide if they work, but we'll see. Hello, Sorum. I started the stream yesterday, and then my internet provider decided that I should stop. My internet went down for 2 hours. Yeah, so far, it seems like all's good today. I had a feeling something was going to happen because when I first started the stream yesterday, I had like no upload speed at all. And it kept telling me, and then I thought it stabilized, and then went totally down. Both my internet and my cable went down. So if anyone wants to file a complaint up to Comcast about missing the stream yesterday, feel free. Remind your folks that if something does happen to the stream where I suddenly disappear, or you come, I'm not live when I should be, check Twitter or the Discord for updates because I'll post what's going on Twitter and Discord. Hello, Freighter. The Discord's free, G. Again, so far did not get lower than here. This 93. Lowest session was 91 and a half. Uh, when you sign up, there's a verification you have to do. Supposedly it's easy. Of course, I haven't done it, but I'm told it's easy. Most people complete it, and it's just like a captcha type thing. Yep. Looks like it wants to push down. Should have taken this. Should have taken this. But yeah, the only problems I've had so far on the Discord were two fake oxen. Two people try to imitate me, and thing is, I manually verify both of those instead of making them go through the verification process. Now the Earn a Trade Discord, they have a lot more problems with that, just because they're a bigger Discord. You know, the MightyOxTrading Discord's still is sitting at 189 members, so we're not really that big for spam bots to really start attacking yet. I want to get some more stuff going on the Discord. A lot of plans for the year. Continuing to improve the Discord is one of those. So this would have reached profit target. So again, boom, that earned its purple. This is the only one that didn't. I'm not sure this would have got stopped out though. Let's see. Boom. No, it would not. So theoretically, this short would have worked as well for 2 points. I mean, if I had been in this one, then I wouldn't have got in this one because I was already in it. But we're still moving down. We're moving on down. Nice, G. Try to touch low of day. 38.91 half. It did touch it. Let's see if it breaks it. Thomas. Oh, that's right. Thomas did say 38.80 last night. JC, yeah, viewer hours is good. Also, when the occasional in-stream ads run, it would help with that as well. Why do you ask? Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying the stream or expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Uh, yeah, I'm not sure what that would do. Um, I also have an average view duration, and I think the view duration actually helps more than the actual amount of time. Like, if so, from what I understand about the algo, and we're popping up here, by the way. From what I understand about the algo, like if I have, say, 10 people just come in, look at the stream for 30 seconds, and then leave again, uh, that hurts more than having 5 people who view the stream for half an hour. My average view duration usually is about 40 minutes, which is pretty good. So, not sure just letting it run where and there's only a couple people hanging out, if that would help or not. Honestly, I probably need to get. Good morning, Dakota. I need to start working on getting some non-live content up on the channel as well. I, I think that would help. And I do have some ideas. I just haven't put them in place yet. I was gonna do some videos this past weekend, and like Saturday evening is when I was gonna do them, and then I got this weird headache, so ended up not doing them. I mean, I could try it one day. Then see how it goes. More than that. Hey, Borneo. Not no on orange juice, coffee, cotton. Those are ice exchange products, and I don't no none of the props have those. I have occasionally, like once or twice, traded wheat and corn. I do have, I have a corn chart up here. I've traded soybeans here and there as well. Uh, they're slow movers most of the time. Well, they're moving up nicely. The corn's moving up nicely right now, though. But yeah, they're slow movers most of the time, except for right around the open. But they're, corn and wheat and soybeans aren't bad to trade. No, no, I have not done any juicing. Yep, we are nearing the top of the hour. Again, no real news this morning, but we do have Powell speaking in. I forget. When did I say Powell speaking? Yeah, Powell speaking at 9 Eastern. It's about an hour away. Good morning, Burl. There's a guy on the Discord, LSD. He loves trading coffee. I think that's the main product he trades. He trades it in his personal account. $27,000 day yesterday. Wheat and natural gas. I saw natural gas have been still falling. I still don't understand. Wheat. I don't know where my wheat chart is. Here. Wheat. Yeah, wheat's been falling too. Though it's kind of stagnant right this second. Yeah, I don't have any idea what the trading hours of coffee are. Can look at the coffee chart since there's not much going on right now. Let's see, coffee. This looks Casey. Yeah. Weird hours. So looks like 4:15 to 1:15. No idea what the tick value or anything is. Let's see. Am I logged in? No, I'm not logged in. So it's a non-tradable sign. I don't even have data on it. But yeah, looks like it. Moves just like anything else. I haven't watched it. I probably should. Maybe I'll put that on my video watching agenda for today. This would have worked upwards, but would have been against my plan. Okay, I'll check it. How long in was it, JC? How long of an interview? All right, thanks, JC. It's a big difference between 15 minutes and 40 minutes, guys. Pulling back here, top of the hour, back to the EMA. Wait, guys. Uh, that where is that interview? Is it somewhere on their website? Apex Trader Funding website, or where can I find it? Morning Carib? Coming back down. This is a trigger. Thank you. Thank you, Thomas. Strong candle back down. 2.25. Hey, trade together. We're short here. Wow, talk about slippage. It shows me that enter is not even any place where this candle even touched. Stops at the top of that last candle. Thank you, Matt. There's the link for anybody else that wants to watch it. Down 5 ticks on this trade. Not looking good. One tick from stop. Staying below that EMA. Staying alive, staying alive. Toying with us. Down 6 ticks, down 7 ticks. Oh, there, nice little red. Yeah, back to 6 ticks down. Thank you, Matt. Yeah, I'm confused, John Doe. What do you mean? About ready to get stopped. It's still toying with us. Yeah, I mean, actually, I mean, that guy was more than that. Yeah, we're stopped out. That guy ended up being more than 10% of their total payouts. So we are heading back up. Well, right now Apex says that they've paid out 7.2, I believe, 7.3. So I was going with that number. I'm not sure I mean, I'm not sure. I didn't watch the interview, but I'm not sure anyone said it was 1 month. I mean, he could have been accumulating that for a while. Maybe it says in the interview that was 1 month, but if not, I mean, there's no, if that was his like month 4 where he had to wait so much for payout, because of the way Apex payout structure is. So yeah, I think that was the accumulation over a few months. Now, if it were me, I would have not taken it on the 27th of December. I would have waited until the next month, so the tax burden would have been put off a year. I know, and John, trust me, we value your opinion. I'm not trying to discredit you or fight or argue. I'm just saying, it's a good debate. Always feel free to express your opinion, unless it's about politics or religion. We don't talk about those here. Trying to push back up to 3,900. So after this, I probably should not have taken that short. It was a bigger candle. Obviously, it didn't work out, and we're starting to see an upward move. Nice, Jessica. How is TVT? It's one I don't hear much about, except for from CFT lately. Wonder how many traders would take that interview, Thomas. I blew 30 accounts. This is what I did wrong. That's awesome. I'm very happy for you, Jessica. We're going long here. I'm late by 2 ticks. Wow, really? Come on. Give me something positive here. 800K would really soothe my mind from all the accounts I have failed. Back below. Yeah, nothing working this morning. Yeah, John. No, yeah, we're not attacking. We're just getting stopped out here everywhere. Thomas, I used to stream to both Twitch and YouTube. Twitch, I barely had uh, any viewers. I got like five, 5 to 10 a stream. Well, trading plan not working today, which I figure. Burrow debating about the guy that made 800K on Apex. ShareVision screwed me over for about $2,000 that they owed me. ShareVision screwed me over for about $2,000 that they owe me. They decided they're no longer going to pay. Didn't honor their even the last part of the contract. I mean, they're still hanging around. I don't see them surviving long term. We're coming back down. This is a trigger candle back down. Nice, G. Rejection off the 100 there. Crypticon. So yeah, I erased all my content from ShareVision. It's all gone. I still have the third most followers there. I hesitated, did not take this short. Should have. After these, that is down like $300 now. I'm hesitating, and I shouldn't, but I am because it's another crappy day. See if this ends up going. Good job, Crypticon. Yeah, remember we do have Powell speaking at the top of the hour. Markets are giving good moves. I'm just not catching the good moves. the static account there, Hassan? That is, did they make that permanent, or wasn't that limited time? Is it still up? Oh, interesting. Yeah, I can't afford it, but yeah, I would much prefer a static drawdown. Oh, it's gone now? Morning, Hafiz. Thank you. UV opening. So far, not rocking our socks. You see it coming down into its market open. Sitting at 140.02. Market seems more subdued right now, kind of rangy. I mean, up and down, but market waiting for Powell. Pow pow. That did not go 2 points, so right now the market's kind of. Eh, I would have ended up stopping me at. Well, no, it wouldn't be a 2 point stop yet, but getting close. Hey, Speed Racer. Back up to that 100. It touched it again. Coming right back down. Touched that 100. And rejected off of it. Not trusting anything right now, which sucks. Trigger candle down, but that last one didn't work. Last two did not work. Which, before that, the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 worked. So, kind of sucks. So watching. No 8:30 news today. We do have 8:55 Red Book, and then 9 o'clock we have Pal speaking. Yeah, bonds are falling. Not afraid of falling. See, this is their yellow lines where the low of the day was before or as I came on stream. This is a hourly candle down 20 ticks. Whoosh. It's been it's been falling for the past couple hours. Hello, John. So let's see. See if that wants to continue coming down or not. Yep, so I didn't take the one that did work. That's why you just gotta keep taking your setups. This would have been a good one. Thank everyone for being here this morning. Welcome. Wait for Pal to speak in half an hour. Coinbase cutting almost 1,000 jobs. So you can see that would have went more than 3 points. Pop it back up. So watching and waiting here. Watching and waiting, hoping and a praying. Gold. Not doing much of anything. Hassan, wake up your girlfriend there. Gold, get her moving. Ultra bond continuing to fall. Uh, either 2 points or 3 points usually there, G. Wow, look at that. Just I should have taken an ultra bond trade and just sat here and watched it. Every time I move the yellow line, it moves further. This hourly candle now down 28 ticks. Bounce here. Getting close to low a day again. See, we hit 38.91 half there, 38.91 half here. Now we're down to 38.91.75. So will we see a triple bottom? I like triple bottoms, and I cannot lie. These other traders can't deny. I am. Alright, yeah. Fed pal speaks. Fed's pal speaks. And there's articles on it too. Do Powell's speech. Ah. And we're popping right back up. So far, it cannot get below that 38.91 half. Yep. Yep. We do have another holiday on Monday, and then next week, I believe on Wednesday. I gotta look at that PPI report. And we pop right back up. Now we won't have been making lower highs. Has not been able to sustain above that 100 EMA. Anyway, it happens to the best of us, Matt. You can see, like I said, we've triple bottom now. That's definitely a line in the sand. Well, technically it's a line on the chart, but you get what I mean. Ultrabond has kind of taken a breath. But and then here's another move down on ES. Big 2-point candle, 3-point candle. Trying to get another charge down. But pops right back up by 3 ticks. But technically that was a trigger candle for me, but big candle. Did not take the short. "21 minutes from Powell. 21 minutes from Powell. I'd tell Powell. Whatever. Yep. Glad I did not take that short. At least at this point. Maybe I should. It's coming back down to where the entry for that short was. Nope, right back up. Very choppy, as Heffies just said. And now we see this up, down, up move. Yeah, that's exactly the markets. Crude, heating oil, natural gas, and gasoline futures. Hey, Avi, how you doing? And back down. Back down. Yeah, if you put a volume chart on crude, let me do that real quick. You can see how the volume picks up right there. This is the volume. This is yesterday. There's the 9 Eastern, 8 Central. Volume picks up, big volume spike, and then stays up for most of the morning. And then you can see, it definitely increases. Also increases, right when Europe opens as well. But this is the actual. It used to be, when there was actual trading pits. The energies market trading pit opened at 9 Eastern. We are just choppy around 39. I'm sorry, 38.94. Hey, Ace, good to see you. I assume, Ace, you sent a strongly worded letter to Comcast about me not being able to be on yesterday. Hey, gossip. uh, Remember, we have Powell speaking in 15 minutes. Yeah. I wasn't really freaking out. I mean, the only thing that freaked me out at first was they didn't admit there was an outage until like half an hour later. They were trying to say it was my equipment to the point that I ended up scheduling a technician that wouldn't have been here until today in the afternoon. So if it would have been my equipment that was causing the problem, I would have had at least 2 days out. But then it's like half an hour later, it finally popped up that there was an outage. Another bounce off that 100. And again, remember Powell speaking in 14 minutes. Powell speaking 14 minutes. That's it. That your internet goes out a lot less. That's the first time I noticed your internet going out. Comcast, I have an outage like at least once a week. I mean, sometimes it's only for a minute, but Kevin, good morning. What was weird yesterday, is it went out right as I was starting to talk about weenie trades and how he was streaming yesterday. And so at least I mean, it's for those of you who decide to go over and check out Greg. Got him some extra views yesterday. Well, and he doesn't plan on streaming often. Like I said, I was surprised to see him streaming yesterday because he said that he won't be streaming anymore. He's contractually obligated not to stream, so on and so forth. So I don't know. I didn't get to watch his stream, obviously. So financially, it seems to be a good move. He said he was able to deposit $3,000 in his bank account last week. So financially, it's a good move for him. As he said to me on Friday, you know, he said, if I find it, he says he got paid more than 10 times what he would have got from YouTube. He says, I love streaming, but passion doesn't pay the bills. So it's a financial choice on his part. I understand that 100%. Something with that Brandon Carter. Back up to the 100 EMA here. I'm probably going to stay flat until after Powell speaks. Um, Short-term financial, I mean, yeah, but I mean, when you have to pay the bills, you have to pay the bills. Even me, I, it's like, it's hard to stream if you're living under a bridge. Um, there's a break of the 100 here. Technically a signal for me to go long, but I'm not. Yeah, but I mean, if you're struggling that much financially, you know, you got to do what you got to do sometimes. As we hang on the 100. We're 100 hangers. I mean, obviously his decision has kind of helped me because I've seen my viewership go up since he stopped streaming. But I mean, I kind of enjoyed, you know, every now and then going over and visiting, you know, after I got done with streaming my stream. So, yes, yes, they do. Fun fact, I've never been inside a Starbucks. Actually, I know people are going to be shocked at this. I have never had anything from Starbucks. Yeah, I figured it is, Avi. And I mean, I don't think he did anything wrong. I mean, I've looked at his course. It's, you know, educational. I mean, I'm not in the. I will never. I could be the most successful trader ever. Million subscribers on YouTube watching me, and I would never sell a course. Just not my thing. How much is Starbucks or Weenie's course? I don't know how much Weenie's course is. I forget. There's Ace's target. Boom. CL, big candle down. Ooh, big candle down for CL. Oops. 26 ticks there on CL. Popping right back up a bit. Great job on that, Ace. As ES tries to get up to 3,900 before Pal speaks. Okay, no, Hassan. Uh, he did his own course. It was for options, not futures, and he's now promoting something with someone named Brandon Carter, doing something with him. I'm not even sure. I haven't dived deep enough in to figure out exactly what Brandon Carter is. Gotta get up to 3,900. There's a 200 EMA sitting right below it. Just tickled that 200 EMA. Right, that's what I said. Yeah, before his partnership. I don't know I'm not exactly sure what Brandon Carter. I know there's a video he has up about Brandon Carter from about 8 months ago, but I never watched it. Specifically in my trading account. No, kidding. What I don't understand about the whole Brandon Carter thing is if you look on Weenie's page, the thumbnail about him, he's there standing there shirtless. So I don't know what that has to do with trading. There's 3,900. So rising up here before the Powell speech. Someone asked earlier about a uh, video of the Powell speech, and I'm not seeing it. Usually, Financial Juice puts a link on. Oh, there's a watch live. Uh, I hit the watch live link, but sent me to something weird. Strong move up here. Right, but honestly, I mean, TC, the donations are nice, but you know, they don't really pay the bills. Uh, and like normally, I get like $2 a day from YouTube. Last week I got some awesome donations, and I really appreciate it. Just got to remember that YouTube takes 30% of the donations. So like last I think it was Wednesday. I got $154 on donations, and the net of that was only $108. Okay, ready for Powell. We're sitting at 3,900 on ES. I see. Ooh, wow. Did he start speaking that quick? Rising up here. Wow. Holy. So there we hit 3908. Yeah, yeah. Without congressional law, it's inappropriate for us to use our monetary or supervisory tools to promote a greener economy. Uh, Strong move up. And there's crude oil's market openings. It popped up and came right back down. Yeah, PayPal friend to friend doesn't take any. I do have a PayPal and Cashapp link in the video description. But like I said, I don't ever ask for donations. I don't ever try and I don't ever feel right about that. So, but I mean, I have them down there if anyone wants to, but I don't ever actually. I mean, I was shocked to see what happened last week when those 3 donations came in. Pulling right back down. Ah, in prepared remarks for Sweden's Riksbank Symposium on central bank independence, Fed's Powell does not discuss the state of the U.S. economy or the prognosis for monetary policy. I never started this to gain money. My opinion, as a streamer or as a trader, I should say, my job should be to become a consistent trader where I don't need donations. I never started this to make money. Obviously, the extra money now is nice when it happens, but I never did this for money. Now, is that saying that at some point in time I might need, if I can't figure out how to become a consistent trader? As we watch this, by the way, came up 5, down 8, back up 6. If I can't become a consistent trader here shortly, I might need to stop streaming so I can start working other monetary gains. Who's ignoring the elephant in the room? I would never ignore an elephant. I would always give him peanuts. Oh. Apparently, Powell. I guess. I mean, this thing wasn't really about monetary policy, and yeah, the speech is done, so all of 2 minutes. But it wasn't. It was about central bank independence. He talked about social issues and things like that. I guess it was never supposed to be about monetary policy at this point in time. Everyone just assumed, apparently. Wow, as soon as the Powell speech goes, like the viewership dropped by 10 people. Either that or Trades by Matt started his stream. Look at crude oil going. Boom, 36 ticks. ES up to 39.10. Wow, it is boom on crude. That's going to come back down eventually. 50 ticks. And we got the 39.12 pulling back. So big moves, even though Powell didn't say anything. Going back to our regularly scheduled trading already in progress. We're pulling back just a bit. What did gold do? Gold, gold's still not coming to life. Ultra bond bounce there. Some. This is crude. You can see crude making new daily high there. Natural gas made a new daily low. John Powell's done. Powell made some remarks about social issues and he's done. A prepared remarks. Fed's Powell does not discuss the state of the U.S. economy or the prognosis for monetary policy. His full speech is viewable at. This is his full speech. It was mainly about climate and other social things in the central bank. So now at 10 o'clock we do have U.S. wholesale inventories month over month, U.S. wholesale sales month over month. You're welcome, John. That's why I'm here. I do want to definitely thank Comcast for letting me be here this morning. See a pullback there on crude. Oh, okay, Matt, thank you. I did not realize that. We are 20 minutes from the bell. According to YouTube, 7 days ago, this channel hit 20,000 hours of watch time. That's just incredible. pulling back down. Fading down, crude crashing back down, giving back about 2/3 of that big candle. Ultra bond got above its 20 there. Nice move up. Oh. So got up to 39.12, pulled back to 39.06. High day was 39.15, did not get there. We'll watch to see what it does at the open. So we watch crude back down to its EMA. See, ooh, look at copper taking off there. ES bouncing back up to 39.10. No, I never met Brandon. Calls himself King Keto, so maybe I should. Back up to this 39.12. Quick burst back up. So far, it's not been able to get above this area right there where I put the line. Usually, as soon as I draw the line, it bursts through it, so. And you see crude bounce there up as well. 15 minutes until the bell. Sorry, yawning. Did not mean to yawn in your ear. You normally I mute. Oh, crude burst down. And I'm not trading crude right now, just focused on ES. I have not back, uh, back charted crude like I did ES. Everyone stopped chatting all at once. We're just kind of sitting in this 39.10 area. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Watching time slip away. See, when everyone stops chatting, I start singing. That should scare everybody. Thanks for that vote of confidence, Avi. JC, I would write him a strongly worded letter. Trying to push back up toward that 39.12 that it has not been able to get through. Ten minutes until the bell. Crude's sideways for the last few. 3 weeks from tomorrow, we have FOMC. For those of you fans of the Fed. Yeah, I know. He didn't say anything. It's like the market went wild upwards. It's just like, see this: up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Crude has now pretty much given back that whole huge candle. And ES just doesn't know where it wants to go from here. I don't know where it's going. I only know where it's been. Yeah, I'm worried about our other G-Man. He lives in Northern California, and I've not heard from him in a week. Over a week. So, breaking down a little bit here, but we are 7 minutes till the bell. The yen moved. Oh yeah, the yen popped up big there. So did the euro. And the pound also pounded its way up. Hey, boo. When it's when it's moving down, I say the pound's getting pounded. This was a trigger candle up, but we're 5 minutes in the bell. We'll see whether I should have taken it or not. See, we've been kind of rangy since got up here. It's been down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Yep. Good morning, RJ. How are you doing? And so it would not have worked. So it's good I didn't take that trigger. It looks like it wants to come down here. We are just 2 minutes until the bell. $39.07. So are we ready for the ring-a-ling? Hopefully we can get some nice trades after. Get that balance back up. Thirty seconds. 30 seconds to the bell. Oop, there's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. Quick move up. 3 points. See if it can break that move to the upside to 39.12. Crude popping up as well. Family focused on ES. There it finally broke it. Ooh, it dips right back under. Hit that third band. Smacked it around. There it goes again. So we're up 6.5 here. Wow, pulled back that much that quick. It was only ended up being a 2-point candle. Let's try it again. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Boom. Again. It's trying. All right, RJ, 942. If it can break 916. Well, just hit nice. Wow. Just hit 9. Well, it just hit 916.75, and then wow, whoosh back down by 5 points. So far, we're seeing some bullishness. Seeing 30 points there on NQ on that 1-minute candle. Push it up. There's 18. New up by was the high of day. So we hit 19, 39.19 half. Full stack of it. Big pullback. Try to get back that last candle. Well into the bands here, so you can expect a little bit of consolidation to try and get back inside those bands at some point. At some point. Somewhere over the rainbow. But they're not there after 20. 39.27.5. I should have just taken along and listened to RJ. 39.23. So opening 5-minute candle, obviously huge candle. Up 15 points. 16. About 25 seconds to go on this opening 5. Yep, there it's at 39.25. 39.26. Do I hear 39.27? Nope. So end the opening 5-minute candle, 17.25. I'll pull back down now to 39.23. $39.27. Kind of hesitating here in this area. Where are we gonna go from here? Possible reversal right here. That reversal candle down by 2. And there's crude pulling back as well. So it was, uh, looks like Ultra Bond's kind of flat. YM solid. Agree there, G. Got down to 39.19. Let's see if it makes another shot up here. Yep, right back up. And crude bounced there as well. So waiting for an opportunity here. Yep, right back down. Down to that 39.20. Let's see if the buyers come in again. Doesn't look good. There's crude dropping. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. World Bank estimates that the United States 2023 GDP growth will be 0.5%, down from the forecasted 2.2%, and the lowest non-recession performance since 1970. Yeah, guess I guess the buyers coming in there, hanging right at above that 39.20 level. Pulling down, nope, broke through, and there's a break through to the other side of that EMA. So we hit a high there of 25. Pulled down about 9 points. See if we bounce or break. Bounce or break. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Hang at this 39.16. You see it came down, bounced back up. Now it's trying another move. But doesn't seem to be convincing that it wants to come down. I agree. G, it is wild. And right back up. Right back up to 39.20. Wow. Big move back up. 5 points. See the Ultra Bond, big bounce there. Now above its 100. Oh, wow. That's a big wicked candle back down there. And right back up, though. Totally undecided what it wants to do. I don't know where it's going. Carew just burst through its 100 to the downside. Burst through, but bounced up. Everything's a little wild this morning. Here we come back down on ES. Or it's trying, but totally choppy. Choppy. Chop chop makes traders P&L drop. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death. Scalper's paradise. And back down. And starting to fall. Big fall. Timber down. Wow, down 9. Down to 39.11. I did consider taking this short here. I should have when I saw that big wick, but I don't know, this price action just. But now it's trying to break through the 100 there. Free falling. Will it bounce or break? Sounds like a game show. Bounce or break? With your host, Bob Eubanks. It's popping back up by 2. Green and red. Remember, we do have a few bits of news at the top of the hour. U.S. wholesale inventories month over month revised. U.S. wholesale sales month over month. Not sure how much those are going to move the market, but keep them in mind. Yeah, Dakota has been pretty silent today. Fed's pal, the pal is still answering questions. I don't know what the questions are, but the Fed's tools work. There's nothing wrong with our mandates. Changes are required to make it more resilient. Increasing liquidity is not the desired response. And back down. No, I won't back down. Just trying to bend those bands. It's a band bender. Crude oil continuing to drop down to 75. Trying to get below 75. ES hanging around 39.10. ES also unsure of its place in life. 100 EMA sitting at 39.07 quarter. Crude breaks 75. What's gold doing? Has gold woken up yet? Yeah, a little bit, but not much. Oh, there's a move down and back on ES down to 39.08. Trying to break that 100 EMA. Crude falling faster now. Oh, ES. Big move down here. 7 points. Breaks the 100. Tickles the 200. Tickles the 200 and quickly snaps back. It retreats back above the 100 and bounces up. So got down to 39.04 and then that quickly back up to 39.12. Wow, what a bounce there. 8 points, 9 points. Wow. Did Powell just say something? Nice, JC. Great job. Out, sorry. Gee, was quite the bounce. It's still bouncing. 12 points on this candle. Back up to 39.21. I'm long. Come on, push up for me. Dang it. Oh, maybe. Struggling here, it looks like. Come on. Give me something here. No. Stopped out. Another great trade by the Ox. So, 4 trades, 4 losses. We still got 100%. Probably shouldn't have trailed it. I was trailing it. Should have went with this. The plain 4-3. Now it's coming up. Yep, I shouldn't have trailed it. The trailing did. Yep, so there it went. It went to my target. I was in it. 21. It got up to 24. Yeah, if I wouldn't have trailed it, I would have been in that trade the entire time. So no more trailing on that. Let's take our medicine one way or the other. And my algos aren't on. I forgot to turn them back on after the internet outage. Dipped all the way back down to 39.18. Vic Wick back down. RJ said 42 earlier, I believe it was. Yeah, 42. Struggling again, back down to 20. And back down. Wow, that quickly back down to 15. So a 10-point drop in 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. Yep, nearing top of hour. 40 seconds till some news. See what the news does. You see crude falling. The hour. Not seeing the news pop in any way. Let's see. Numbers. The wholesale inventories was exactly on point. U.S. wholesale sales negative 0.6, and they expected positive 0.2, but nothing newsy. It's trying to push back down. No, it can't decide where it wants to go. Crude's deciding no, it's still heading down. Copper heading up. Ultra bond moving downward. Right, here comes another move up. We'll try this again if it holds. Being beaten right back down. Not hold. Well, I mean, technically, but wick is bigger than the body right now. Nope. Back down. Big move back down, as a matter of fact. So news did not really affect anything. Now we wait to see where it wants to go from here. Yeah, it's going to try again. We're seeing lower highs. Once again, this is technically a trigger. Oh, not anymore. Well, now it is. It can't decide if it wants to be a trigger or not. Yeah, it ended up being a trigger. Not one I took. It's really indecisive here. So this trigger here actually did work. I just managed it badly. Very badly. And that one would have worked, although that would have been risky. Market taking a bit of a breath here. Smaller candles. But there it goes. That trigger candle would have worked for 3. And 3 and 3 only so far. Yep, there it goes. Got up to 39.21 half. Still struggling to get any further up. Yep, there it is. There's pushing. Pushing on up. All right. Group with a nice bounce. Back above 75. Yeah, down. 22.25 was the high of that move. Back down to 18. I mean, you were only wrong by a point there, Ace. We're still seeing lower highs. High, high, high. Up, oh, nope, right back up, Ace. There we go. Again, 22.75 and back down. Great, damn it. Just trying again. Failing again. We're stagnant in this 39.22 area. See if we can get up to where Ace said it's going to bounce at 23.50. Right now, it's struggling to get above 22.75. There it goes. Burst through 39.24 up to 39.25. 39. So big move up. Wow. Holy wow. 39.30. New high day. See if something just fueled that little burst. Not that I see. Strong 8.5 point, 9 point candle. $39, $31.75. Push it back down now. Yep. Back up. May want to reverse here. Struggling to continue up after that nice move. Hassan, did you short that pop? Oh, RJ called 42. We're up to 31. Pulling back a bit. Sitting here, watching. $39.30. Yeah, there's another push up. Got up to 32, 39.32 at quarter. Net really pushing here. 33 quarter. $35. Hit 39.35 even. Pulling back just a tad. Pull it back down to 39.30. Crude pushing back down under 75. Son, trading every day is dangerous. Highway to the danger zone. So, looks like right now, for now, our top is 39.35. That's awesome, Ace. All the way back down, so in 3 minutes we pulled down 10 points. Trying to bounce. That's a great deal. That's only like 900 ticks on NQ. Look at Avi looking for the 90% discount. What do you think this is, Apex? Taking a short here. Don't know why, but I am. That's why. Boom! There we go. I actually got a win today. $150 winner. Now, there's the problem here is it was technically against my trading plan. Yeah. No, I mean I did. I mean I did analyze the setup, but have a great day, Ace. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, JC. Ace. Crude pulling down again. And we're down to back down to 39.20 on ES. Strong move down there. 15 ticks on crude. Wow, look at crude falling there. Wow, big move, big move. Well below 75 now, down to 74.60. ES trying to bounce. About 35 minutes left on the stream. We'd love to find another couple of good trades to get back to green, but at least they're not as bad as we were. That's a trigger candle back up. Do I want it? Do I want it? I don't know if I do. Not take it. Let's see if it. Let's see if it proves me wrong that I should have. So far, nope. Proved me right that I should not have taken it. Oh God, I'm trying back up. New candle. Gonna take the long here. Not not breaking up like I'd hoped. $39.26 even is my entry. Yep. Out. Dang it. So gave back almost everything I just gained. I gave back more? How did I give back more? Whatever. Took massive slippage in that. I bought at 39.26. Yeah, I almost took a 4-point loss there. I should have only been a 3-point, and well, that sucked. So no movement to the upside. That one did not work. And big move back down. Wow, big move back down. Breaks the 100. Bounces up. Oh, that's why. I had those bracket settings wrong. I had them reversed. Dang it. And what's the reversal though, up or down? Because it's kind of confusing. I guess down, because we've been going up most of the morning. Strong move. It's almost down to the 200. Back down to that 39.12 area, which was important earlier today. Two hundreds at 39.10. And burst through it down to 39.08. Back up. Wow. So yeah, big moves down. Well, been beautiful to catch. Obviously, I didn't catch it. Love it. Down 20 points in 5 minutes. Yeah, crude oil falling as well, continuing to fall as well. Bounce there. We got down to 39.05 and a half. 3-point bounce up. And back down. Heading down toward 3,900. So 39.06. Little bounce here. Got down to 39.02 so far. Back up to 39.07. Thank you, Ace. Appreciate that. Reminder to hit that like button if you're enjoying today's stream, or even if you're not enjoying today's stream and you just want to help me out, help the channel out. Okay, here comes the next push down. Big wick there. I like big wicks, I cannot lie. Not pushing down as fast as I thought off that wick, though. Oh, there it goes. It's hit that 39.02 and a half twice now, there and there. Hey, look at there. And back here, 39.04 was the low. Just trying again, 39.03. Popping up to 39.07. $39.08. Crude down to 74.5. Bitcoin above 17.3 now. Coffee. I'm still on coffee. But you can see that coffee, as we talked about earlier, falling. Let's go back to my lean hogs. Kind of falling. Make sure you have your masks on while you're looking at the 1-minute chart of the ES. Ooh, crude. Falling again. Now look at natural gas. I think ES wants to try and push down further here. We're seeing upper wicks on all these slightly green candles. Crude down to 74.30, and I was right about ES, or so far right. Said I wanted to drop. It's dropping, but not fast. Not fast at all. Not at all. By the way, folks, Apex Trader Funding has not free. Yeah, sorry. Apex Trader Funding has half off resets today and tomorrow. 50% off, no code. And ES trying to push back down. I was right. I wanted to take a short there. I really, really did, and I should have. There's a break. Finally breaks that 39.02. Bounced down to 39.01 quarter. But immediately came right back up. Jumped back up like it saw a spider. Crude heading down towards 74. Up 3,900 there in ES. Can it break on through to the other side? So In a half an hour, we've dropped 35 points on ES. We did just break it. 39, I'm sorry, 38.98 there. Everything falling. Ultra Bond falling, NQ falling, crude falling, ES falling, gold falling, copper falling, natural gas falling. Stop me if you've heard this. Oops. Corn falling, soybeans falling. Bottoms just dropped out. Oh, we have Europe Central Bank, I believe, ECB. We have two Europe Central Bank speakers speaking. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. But RJ, there are no bears at the South Pole. Have a great day, JC. We'll see you tomorrow. So it got down to 38.97 quarter, pop back up to 39 here. Oh, wow. 5-point quick pop. So, nice pop there. Up about 8 points. Sorry, let the yawn out. About 10 minutes to go. Not going to finish today green, I don't think. Hanging at 39.04. Could have done a Bob Anderson trade there on this. Right here. Would have been nice. And possibly here as well. It's, yeah, doesn't seem like that would have worked. Popping back up to 39.08, 39.09. And back down. Yep. Trying to stay up. Stay hungry. Breaking the 100 here into 200, actually. The 100's still higher than the 200 right now. Breaking them both. Breaking Bad. And back down. Big wick down there. Broke the Bollinger and retreated. Great job, Matt. Excellent work. 39.13. Taking a breath. Hit 39.14.75 twice there. It's struggling. Got up to it again. 39.14.75. It's the third time. Well, the fourth time, there it goes. There it breaks. Nope, doesn't hold that. Oh, there it goes. Crude also popping up. Strong candle. Wow, 6-point candle out of the blue. And again, possible reversal area. Yeah, it's been up and down today. Started bearish, bullish, came back down. Definitely quite the ride. I'm gonna take a short here. Maybe I'm stupid. Stops at the high of that last candle. Of course, RJ says North Pole targets after I take the short. North Pole has bears, polar bears. Wait, it does? Are penguins actually aliens? Out. Okay. Well, that's 10 o'clock, so nice day today. Finished down about 500 and some odd dollars. Went 1 win, 6 losses. $505 down today. Oh, look at that. So I was in at 39.18. Just after I get out, dips down to 39.16. I could have quickly got a like 7 ticks. It's popping back up now. So that's it for today. Another nice bright red day. We'll try and continue our red day streak tomorrow. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll see you back here at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow. Talk to y'all later. Bye. And RJ, tomorrow we need to talk about that UFO at the South Pole. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.